Welcome back to MicroDried's recipe collection. Today we are making cherry pecan goat cheese truffles, an appetizer that will look like you spent a lot of time preparing it, but it is super fast and simple and super delicious. Make sure you keep a few copies of this recipe handy because people are going to ask for it. But don't worry about taking notes now. We will provide the full recipe at the end of the video. We are using MicroDried red tart cherry fragments, and what makes these so special is that they are 100% whole fruit. A lot of dried tart cherries on the market are heavily infused with sugar, but when you use MicroDried, you get to decide how much sugar you add to your recipe. For this appetizer, we are using a small amount of honey as our sweetener. Look how easily the fragments incorporate into the goat cheese without breaking down into a powder. Using fragments ensure you get bits of real tart cherry in every bite. Look how fabulous these look. We can't wait for you to try them. Scan the QR code at the end of the video to get access to all of our recipes. For product samples, contact sales@microdried.com. Thanks for watching, and hit the subscribe button to be notified of new recipes.